Guess who it is? It's your favorite baker, me, Colin. And I've got an amazing recipe from Fleischmann's for old-fashioned dinner rolls. Who says whole wheat rolls are heavy? Not me. These rolls are light, tasty, and ridiculously easy to make. Let's go! This enriched dough uses buttermilk, oil, and honey, giving it a supple texture. This dough uses traditional yeast, which requires 2 rises. Let's talk yeast storage. It is vital to store your yeast properly. If you're using yeast from a jar, put it in the fridge and use it within 6 months of opening. If you're using packets of yeast, store them in a cool, dark place and pay attention to the best before date printed on the label. If your yeast is still alive, you'll see small bubbles when you proof it in warm water. Water temperature should be between 100 and 110 Fahrenheit. If your water is too hot, you could kill your yeast. No bubbles? Your yeast is probably dead. Once your dough has risen, punch it down, roll it out, and cut it into circles. Fold them, cover them, let them rise for another hour until they're doubled in size, and then bake. Simple and delicious. Visit makegood.ca/breadlove for the full recipe. Now let's rock and roll. Get it? Because they're rolls? Yeah, okay. You got it.